Looking to grow your real estate portfolio while deferring taxes? The 1031 exchange is your ultimate strategy for building wealth. In high-value markets like California, where real estate is competitive and taxes are steep, 1031 exchange offers investors a chance to defer capital gains taxes and reinvest in lucrative properties. With benefits like tax deferral, portfolio diversification, and estate planning, a 1031 exchange is a smart choice for California investors. Success in a 1031 exchange depends on choosing the right brokerage partner. A top California brokerage firm guides you through every step, helping you find like-kind properties, navigate legal requirements, and maximize returns. At Magnify Equity, we specialize in 1031 exchanges, offering tailored strategies to ensure seamless transactions and smarter investments. Ready to unlock the full potential of your real estate investments? Discover how Magnify Equity can guide you toward financial success today.